So it's March 20th. We're still here at Gallows Bay after confirming our PO box, and I'm gonna show Gallows Bay hardware. It's a great store. Also, the post office is awesome. It's fast, it's beautiful. But this store is prime stuff, man. You're gonna love it. You're gonna literally love it. They have everything. Take a look how cool is that. They have everything, everything. And a lot of good quality products, so everything you need for your house. Can you see that? All the vacuums, cleaning products. The store is amazing, and they help me. Hi, good morning.
Good morning.
And they helped me a lot when I came here to make my water heater work. So this is the best store they have here for hardware and stuff. It's amazing, and the people here are super nice. They help you with what you need to buy. Can you see all the stuff they have? It's really cool, man. They have like even some furniture. They have everything, man. It's impressive. So you see all the appliances. I'm gonna buy everything here. This is super awesome. I love this store. They have everything, and the price is pretty decent. It's pretty good. They even have this, like countertops, and it's really good stuff. Beach stuff. Let me see. Oh, this table would work perfectly for me. It's awesome, guys. It's awesome. I love this store. And it's not so big, but they have everything. And they have good quality stuff. Like really good stuff. I love it. I really recommend this store. It's good stuff, good people, beautiful area.